Hello students, this is very important question of management accounting and the question is nature and functions of management accounting. Now what is management accounting? It is the provision of financial and non-financial decision making information to managers. In management accounting, managers use the provision of accounting information to inform themselves better before they decide matters. It means management accounting is helpful to the managers in taking different decisions. And for this, they use financial as well as non-financial information. Management accounting is a special branch of accounting. It is a modern and scientific innovation and this is accounting for effective management. Now, there are certain definitions of management accounting. So, the definition according to R.N. Anthony is management accounting is concerned with accounting information that is useful to the management. And another important definition is according to Betty. It is the term used to describe the accounting methods, systems, and techniques which, coupled with special knowledge and ability, assist manager in its task of maximizing profit or minimizing losses. Means कि information can be used by the managers in taking different decisions so that they can increase their profits. Now, what is the nature or what are the characteristics of management accounting? First one is it is selective nature. Selective nature means it does not use the whole data which is compiled by the financial records. It only picks the information which is required for that different decisions. Second one is it is concerned with future. The information which is recorded, that information is used for the forecasting regarding the future time period. The next one is it makes available useful information which helps the management in planning and decision making. It can only provide information but cannot take decisions. So decisions depends upon the managers. The next one is it studies the relation between cause and effect. It analyzes what are the reasons and what are the effects of that reason. Management accounting is not bound by the rules of the financial accounting. Now, what are the functions of management accounting? First one is it provides data. Management accounting serves as a vital source of data for management planning. Next one is it modifies data. The information which is provided by the financial accounting, that information is modified according to the use by the management. For example, a purchase figures may be classified to know total purchases during each period, maybe product wise, maybe supplier wise, maybe territory wise, depending upon the level of requirement. Next one is communication. It is important medium of communicating, for example, to top level, middle level or lower level. जैसे top management needs information at relatively long period, middle level needs information regularly, lower level is interested in detailed information at short intervals. So it provides information within organization as well as outside world. Management accounting and analyze the data for the effective planning and decision making. So data is presented in the form of comparative statements, common size statements, ratios or trend analysis are done according to this. Next one is again communication. It is a way of communication, upward, downward, etc. Initially, it means identifying the feasibility and consistency of the various segments of the plan, and the later it keeps all the parties informed about the plans. It facilitates control. Management accounting gives the objectives to a certain person or to certain level, and then the efforts are needed to achieve those. So it helps in making control. Uses also qualitative information. Management accounting is not restricted to financial but also consider the non-financial information. Management accounting helps in planning as well as to formulate policies by making forecast about the production, selling, inflow, outflow of cash, etc. Not only that, but it also forecasts how much may be needed from alternate course of action. It helps in organizing. By preparing budgets and ascertaining specific cost centers, it delivers the resources to each center and delegates the respective responsibilities to ensure the proper utilization. So as a result, interrelationship grows among the different parts of organization. Decision making. All the process is done only to make the decisions. So it helps in making the decisions. Assist in motivation, as the target is fixed and the efforts are done to achieve those targets. So it helps in motivation. Coordinate. It helps the management in coordination the whole activities. Firstly, by preparing the functional budgets, then coordinating all the functions into one budget, which is termed as master budget. Next is to control. Actual is compared with the standards to know the deviation. Next is purpose and objectives of management accounting. First is use of information. The primary function of management are the uses of information. It presents accounting information in a way that enables the management, investors, or creditors to analyze the financial statements. Next is planning and policy formulation. What is to be done is decided in this so that the resources can be utilized in an efficient way. Decision making. All management work is accomplished only by the decision making. So it is selecting a course of action from among alternatives. Management accounting techniques like CVP analysis, standard, budgetary, capital budgeting, etc. These all help the management in arriving at the best decisions. Motivation. Motivation means individual need, desires, and concepts that cause him or her to act in a particular manner. In this, the responsibility is delegated, the targets are settled, so the persons are motivated to achieve those targets. Controlling. Management accounting helps management in controlling the performance of organization. This is again done by comparing standards with the actual. Coordinating operations. It helps the management in controlling the performance and to maintain coordination among the organization. Reporting. One of the primary objective of management accounting is to keep management fully informed about the latest positions of the concern. It facilitates management to take proper and timely decisions. The object is to provide data, and not only the provision of data but also the timely information is conveyed to all. And the last is it helps in organizing. Organizing is the process of allocating and arranging human and non-human resources so that the plans can be carried out successfully.